Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you how to edit your photo quickly and easily using Nano Banana inside Gemini AI. It's super simple tools that let you edit your pictures or your photo just by typing a prompt. Okay, let's get started. First, just open your Gemini AI and then just log in to your account. And on this page, just click on tools icon, this one, and then just tap on create images, this one. Now just upload a photo that you want to edit. Just tap on plus button, and once it's uploaded, all you need to do is just type in a clear prompt. For example, let's say I want to change the background of my picture into a vibrant street market at night with a wide cinematic ratio. So I will type my prompt like this. And like this, your photo instantly transform like this. Although the ratio is not what I expected, but the result is good enough. And now what if you want to make a video from your photo? It's easy. Just download the photo like this, and then tap on menu, this one, and then you tap and then choose tools and then choose create video with video like this, and then just upload your photo like this, and then just type your prompt, for example like this. And okay, like this, let's play the video.
Hey guys, so tonight we're checking out this amazing night market.
Like this, it's so realistic, right? Within a second, you will have a video created directly from your photo like this. It's no complicated editing software needed. And okay, that's it. With Nano Banana in Gemini AI, you can easily edit your photo and even transform them into videos in just a few steps. Just try it out and get creative with your prompts. Okay, if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.